Lagay po natin is ICT, then create po. Then, students, then create. Then, lagay po is student ID, then student then email, then lagay po is voucher. Then, ang lalagay po sa link is 1150 111. Then sa null po is primary. Then go. Save. Insert. Wow. Ganun tawag. .com. And nalagay po is 20. Go. Ang student ID ko po is 1, then student name is Justin, email, then age ko po is 20. Yan lang po.